Greetings and welcome, friends and random peoples of the void. My name is Shadow, and today we're getting back into Stardew Valley with Lady S, so let's get right into this.
I think I should go get my hands on slingshot, but because we only need 10 to, I believe, get all the parrots activated, and after that, it's even more. Mr. Q's room is also up.
Ooh, is today lightning?
I think it is.
Can you make a complete breakfast?
Yes, I can.
Yeah, it's Alex's birthday today. He wants a complete breakfast.
Let me just empty out my pockets real quick.
Oh, it's corn day as well.
I don't have any of that, but I have this. And then just sap, take the shirt.
What do we do with journal scrap?
You can read that. It's literally just someone's journal entry. Alright. Made me a strange bun. Appreciate that. Okay. Fried egg, omelet. Oh, I need pancakes. I don't need an omelet. Eggs. And we'll take all of these just in case. Oh, parsnip stew. Pancakes, hash brown. I have a complete breakfast.
Alright. I just need to give that to Alex for a happy birthday. Did you make two?
No, but I can. I was gonna make my way back right over.
Oh, you don't want to give Alex a birthday present?
Not really. I can wait till later. I got next year. I need to put this away. I'll keep that on me.
So much corn.
I should do. I drop you complete breakfast.
Thank you.
What is that? Okay. I'm gonna say hello to my animals and make my way out the door.
Alright, we got a lot of freaking corn. And I'm pretty sure we don't need any in our stockpiles. Yeah, we're pretty good. So all of that.
I'll do that tomorrow.
Actually, corn mix ale, yeah?
Pretty sure. I don't know why I wouldn't.
So I'm going to put the low quality stuff to the kegs, and the high quality stuff is our money makers.
Yeah, what's out?
And also make more kegs.
Think. Like that. And to the beach. Just need you to drop dragon teeth. We have a few pieces of ginger. We can make our way back there. But the dragon teeth, they only get dropped by those guys. I don't want to leave the island without so much as get that. No longer rainy. Good enough. This is for again. Wake turtle. Yeah, wake him up. that. Made our way to the farm. 20 for this. Okay.
Oh no! Cutscene with
What?
Sophia at the graveyard in the middle of the pouring rain. Oh, this is so sad. This is like the I don't know if this is specifically the weather that this cutscene takes place in, but this is like the worst weather for this cutscene. Just makes it so much more sad. Sophia was crying. How could you tell? She should be absolutely drenched right now. Okay, so we can use warp totems to get to the island now?
Yeah.
What do we need
Well, we
to
need
make
dragon
them?
teeth.
Ah, okay.
And we need dragon teeth.
I see.
Mm.
I overshot
There's no way
Alex's
up
house.
there.
Why did I didn't even know where I was going.
Autopilot.
Autopilot, engage!
No, I might just cheat the system. Tiny bit.
What the?
Not even a tiny bit. It's very expensive.
Evidently George's birthday, or no, it's not George's birthday, but he's got presents all around him.
I don't even know.
Oh, this is
We even have that amount.
this is from a long time ago.
I want to make the bridge so we don't have to use water. I can't make the bridge till that parrot gets placed in here.
You're
That's
welcome,
more.
George. Sorry I didn't come by much sooner to see this cutscene, but that was like 3 seasons ago. Oh yeah, that's the good stuff. Happy birthday, Alex. And it's too late for me to go to the island now.
Never too late.
It is when the ferry has a time limit.
Ah, that's true.
It's never too late when we have totems, but we don't.
True. Alright, so I'm gonna just go straight up.
Strawberry wine, 17. You and me, something. Well, since I have the time, I shall go be a good friend and check on Sophia since she was crying. If I were a better friend, I would have thought ahead and grabbed a fairy rose, but oh well.
That's why we're only good friends. This is regular friends. Oh, I got a t-shirt. Play on words. Time to get out of here. I need to...
I'm respecting your privacy by knocking, but asserting my authority as your best friend by barging in anyway.
Sums up Stardew Valley quite nicely, I think. No, I don't want to use it for that. I got my hands on a warp totem for the island. When? Keep going. Actually, yeah, blow this up. Okay. And before it accidentally gets used, we're just gonna swap this around. That's not what I need. Because I haven't picked that up before. Just now, I think I'm out of spot. I guess we're going in here.
I guess I'm watching Pink Princess Crusaders now.
We have pineapple seeds.
Sophia is depressed, crying about her dead parents, and to cheer her up, I'm watching anime with her, and it's obviously some magical girl show.
Blade. Yes. A dwarf dagger. I'm gonna sell it.
Okay, wow, 10:30. Jeez, the cutscene went a little long. But it's not like I'm in a rush to get anywhere. It's too late to do that.
Secret notes. Nope, just scrap. Cool. I'll read it later. Hey, carrot.
Oh, there's a little raccoon outside of the stump house now.
Yep. No hitting button. I have a lot of stuff on me right now. Keep this.
It do be getting late.
Yeah, it do be.
Doobie doobie dooba doobie doobie dooba Agent P. Oh, somebody's calling. Susan? Oh, I'm doing fine. Stay hydrated. Well, there's rain in the sky, so... Oh, tomorrow's Flora's birthday. If we have any rubies...
Which we have plenty of.
Those are her favorites. Dang! Corn gave us about 19,000. Then everything else is what made up the rest of our farming money. So roughly 19,000 gold per yield of corn. After corn starts producing, it produces every, 3 days? Queen of Sauce. Pancakes, I already know that.
I need to go speak to Ken.
Very displeased spirits today.
No, it is Kent. About Birdie's husband. Or something.
Gus gave me a recipe for Grampleton orange chicken.
Okay.
I do like orange chicken.
It is pretty tasty.
Yeah, go in there right now.
So in your system. And we'll make more.
Floor, come out of your room. I have Ruby for you. Happy birthday. We're not friends enough yet, so I can't go into your bedroom. You need to come out. I'll give you 20 minutes. Yeah, if you're not coming out by 9 o'clock, then I gotta go do stuff. 10 minutes. It's 9 o'clock. She ain't budging. Fairy stone, but I don't really have those. Crab pots in the village river haven't been catching a single thing. Can anyone see how the catch is in other waters?
Gourmet tomato salt. What the fuck am I supposed to do with the
Source of
delicious savory salt?
bring me materials I need.
Wait.
Pots.
Ah, damn it.
Oh, that's easy. That'll be done tomorrow.
No, it just got wasted. That's okay. Can make another one just to replace that one.
Okay, I've done a little bit of walking around the ridge side. Flora, you need to come out or else I'm gone. Okay, well,
I guess I'm gone.
I guess I'm gone.
Happy birthday from afar or something.
Well, I tried to make it a happy birthday, but no, she just happens to just not have her life together. Just standing there in one place in her room from 9 a.m. to 12 p.m. Maybe. I don't know. Whenever she starts moving. How are things on the island?
I'm trying to get something for Birdie.
Okay.
Need a memento from her husband. Who did I get the rose to? Stardew Valley.
Kind of want to go to the desert and try to get iridium. Oh, now she leaves the frickin' place. Yeah, well...
To the desert. I need to give it to Sandy.
Happy birthday, Fleur.
And it's still here. Wait a minute. So I'm gonna end up having to go back to the island regard. I might as well.
Well, thank goodness I've already given Fleur a birthday gift, because I tried to use the desert totem, and I was right in front of her, and it was like, oh, no, you can't give her this. I was like,
Work out?
oh, almost just gave her a desert totem for no reason.
Bone fragments that I don't need. Also, it's Sunday. Closes at 4, so you might wanna get some money back from all the shit I keep. I think I placed it in here.
You're maxed out in mining, yeah?
Yep,
Okay.
just fishing.
I just got a book for mining experience, and I'm like, neither of us need that.
Yeah, just for fishing. That's all I need to work on. Oh well. To the desert. I'm gonna give this thing to Sandy.
Can books be put in the bin, or do we have to wait for the bookseller to sell it?
I mean, you can sell them to the bookseller, but you can also just put them in the bin.
Ah, okay. In the bin, it shall go. What's the button even do in the desert mine?
That's TV remote. Makes the challenge harder. I think when the what is it? That desert festival? You can take up a challenge with the guild, go in, do whatever you need to do, and then Q's challenge or something like that.
I see.
I think this one goes to George, right?
Right, I forgot the spirits are displeased today.
Yeah, so it goes to George. Advance. Either way.
Well, I got a little bit of iridium ore. Thank you, slimes.
Hella presents. What's that? Evelyn, did you wrap all of the... Was it spring onion? Was it leeks?
It was leeks.
You wanted to show our appreciation? Your wife set this up? Yes, it's a... show our appreciation. Leek. They're all leeks. Just like Mama used to make so many years ago.
I don't know how many ways there are to make a plain leek.
Right. Guess maybe I'm not as forgotten and ignore as I thought. Well, of course you're not.
Wait a minute.
What?
I did not change my mining skill, but I'm getting 2 gems from each gem vein that I mine.
No, it happens. It was the same thing for ore with me.
Huh.
So where's the trains? Yeah. I don't want to need blue lights. So the wizard. Oh, this chain is so silly.
What's the chain?
So you speak to Birdie. She's on the island, past the turtle, which I managed to move. She's looking for something that her husband. So she gives you a picture, like a warm frame picture, that goes to Kent. Kent gives you a thing, that goes to Gus. Gus gives you a thing, that goes to Sandy, who's over in the desert. You know? So I currently have an Arctic shard, and I think it goes to the wizard.
So, typical RPG quest.
Yep. See if he's an Arctic shard. Yep. Take it if you don't mind. Yeah. You give me a wriggling worm to Willy. And I think Willy is the one who has the final piece. But right now, you're closed, right? Definitely. But you are, I think, outside. Yeah. I'm not gonna waste that just to take care of this. If I can just catch you outside, that would do wonders for me. Somehow I feel like this is the wrong... No, it's the right direction. We're good.
I'm getting a lot of amethyst. I feel like the universe is telling me to give my wife a present.
I think so too. Are you still fishing outside, or are you gone? He's in his house now. Okay, fine. That should be the last of it, though. Refill that.
Frozen.
Yep, did it for me too. There it is.
Just glad it didn't leave the monsters mobile while I'm frozen.
That. Because that would have been pretty bad. Yeah, I'll get these. I don't see why not. Grab 2 recipes from Krobus. Well, his inventory, because he's no longer here. I thought I silenced you. Guess not. There we go. Alright. It's getting late.
No, it's not. Time is only an illusion. And so are pants.
Pants is also an illusion.
I can't remember where that quote's from, but I remember it being a quote from something.
Your pathing is really weird. Why would they be 1 in the morning? Ooh, 2 strange buns. Appreciate that.
Well, I didn't get much in the way of iridium. In fact, I only got 1 shard.
Yeah.
But I did get some copper. It's not too bad.
To sleep. stretchy. Ugh. Which I can't go over there anyways, because this guy's not awake.
Fortune teller says displeased spirits today. Nobody's birthday today. I kiss my Abigail and I give her amethyst. Letter from Evelyn with birthday cake, but I do not have room for it. Or I did. I didn't realize I did, but okay.
Change this up. No, I don't want to go there yet, actually. Yeah. Yep. Drop these off. Okay, he's up and running now. To the beach! At 8 in the morning.
I think today will be the last day for today.
Sounds good. Oh, right.
Sunflower Day. And summer squash.
Lost it. All I needed. Be back there. Skip it. Skip it. So fix this house, and then that way we're not rushing to get back home so fast. Top off on this. I think I'll take some of your crab pots and then move them up here.
To the island?
Yeah.
I'll bring a chest and some recycle machines.
Yeah. I think that should help me out with my fishing at that point.
Yep. Oh, and since you're not maxed out, bring bait.
That. I will bring a bunch of bait. Because I haven't been using my fishing rod at all. But I gotta hang on to the pirate's locket. She's not here for some reason. Which is okay.
It's fruit day, got fruit. More mahogany trees are done growing.
I just don't remember where these are coming from, but I don't remember them at all. It's fine. I'd love to get this bridge put in. Wow. I'm not gonna be forsaken of a bridge. No teeth. Give me some of this luck. I think I have something like that. I'm gonna move that down here. That down there also. Put this up here. Swap that. Okay. Give me bones. I already have bones. I have enough bones.
Never have enough bones, so says Vulpix.
Yeah, that's true. I have to tangle with you. I just need to keep looking. Okay. Just want this. There's another one. Or I come across like a bit of a bony graveyard. They usually spawn there too. And maybe if I'm lucky, I'll come across one. So far, I haven't. Pop this off. Gotta stay speedy. Yeah, over there. Room 5. Open space. There are 4 buttons? What is this? Oh, there it goes. Now we're a little laggy. Made it to room 5 once again. Nice little shortcut. Goodness. I don't think I want the ginger ale recipe. Top off on health. Top off on speed.
Just gotta wait until we have more fur, whatever resin stuff to upgrade things.
There's our first one. Alright, well. Join my pockets when you load in, I guess. And you go up. Just need to get to the door. nothing. That's so sad. Won't it be sad for me? Wow, there's nothing here. Oh, I got 2. Okay, bet. It's 1 for each. Don't have much food, but it's okay. Gotta hit this button. Yeah, it's 2 buttons. I'm not going to hit that. I just need to find it. It's already not good. There you are. Just gotta go. Okay. Room 8. 10 o'clock. Stop burning me. My room. I want that though. It's on the other side. I don't see. I'm on 1 room. I just need to unlock that door.
Yeah, completed a quest with a good reward. That should have completed for both of us.
Yep. I got that notification too. God.
It's 1 o'clock.
I can make this. Oh, that's so much. No, I don't think I can actually. It's right there though. It would have been it. I just should have committed. I did not commit. That's okay though. I picked up 2 dragon teeth. I said it was a win. That's 1 freebie for each of us.
Ah, shoot. We're gonna run out of time.
Made it to bed.
I'm in my house. Unfortunately, I did not have time to put a lot of my stuff that I got in the bin. Missed out on a lot of money tonight. It's just money we're going to make tomorrow, but still.
Stone of Yoba. Interesting.
I didn't make it to bed. I was like 10 feet from the bed and passed out.
Alright, so we're done here?
Yeah, ugh. Got stuff to do.
Alrighty. And exit to desktop. There we go. Oh, I'm floating. There we go. Alright. It's 3:49 in the afternoon.
Alright, well, today was fun. We had a bit longer of a session than we usually do.
We actually beat our records. 5 hours for 38 minutes.
Yeah. Well, just had things pushed back a little bit today, so it wasn't a big deal to go a little bit longer. Maybe next time we might, I don't know. We'd have to schedule a proper time to do Beat Saber together.
Yeah. Gonna be
Anyway.
fun.
At the very least, I'd like to do it at a time that's reasonable for me to stream, because if we're streaming at all, if we can play any time, just not streaming. But
Yeah.
if we're streaming, then I got to make sure that it's at a time that I'm not going to disturb the people upstairs by making too much noise. Playing Beat Saber is not going to make too much noise, but chatting and whatnot will.
Yep.
Alrighty, well, I'm going to sign off here, so if anybody's been still lurking or watching the VODs to this point, thank you. Do all the doobly-doos, like, comment, subscribe, all that fun stuff. And show Lady S some love.
Love to see new people.
Anyway, so yeah, I thank you all for watching, and I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day. Bye-bye!